Okay, little baby crying.
Here's a quick review about the Graco 4Ever Extend2Fit Platinum 4-to-1 car seat with the EZ Tight. Here's some quick tips before I go into the review. What might be helpful is to get one of these covers to help secure and protect the car seat when you're traveling, no matter if you're traveling overseas or just down the street somewhere. Also, what we found helpful is to get these bungee ties that you could use to strap the car seat to the airport cart, which is always helpful. Okay, first place we really tried out this car seat was in Tahiti in this little Fiat. It's pretty easy to put this car seat together. This doesn't have the hooks, so you have to use the seat belt. And it's a little bit more work.
It's easy enough, it's just the awkwardness of tightening the center belt.
Thank you, honey.
Loops they had.
I'm pretty sure that it really didn't matter what kind of car seat we had. You still would have a problem putting it in a little Fiat. Just didn't have any of those hooks, so we really had to get it in there tight. Little work, but as you can see, it was pretty comfortable back there. In one of those small Tahiti islands, we got picked up by a taxi van that was pretty old, didn't even have any hooks or anything, but it had seat belts, and we really stretched out the seat belt, and the car seat actually worked out pretty good. We were able to strap it in, and just took a little work, but really think that this car seat did its job really good. We actually really appreciate it. Very versatile, and really you could travel anywhere in the world with that and not have an issue.
Look.
Pretty easy just to clip it in.
Side.
Cool.
Other side.
That's it, huh? Just clip it in and you're good to go.
Yeah, just press the button to tighten it. Self-tighten.
Oh yeah.
The grey one.
There you go. It's pretty easy.
Adjust to recline, get the level.
Pretty easy to use. The main reason we got this car seat is for that EZ latch tightener. That it was, I mean, extremely easy. It took us literally like 30 seconds to put the car seat into the car. And you know, when you're traveling overseas, you're jet lagged, different taxi, different vehicles, you just want to be able to get a car seat and put it in and go. So that's one of the main reasons we got this car seat, and we really enjoyed it. I think it's worthwhile spending the money on something like this. The only negative thing about this car seat is that it is bulky and it is heavy. I know there's probably car seats out there that are lighter, but I think because that EZ latch and it only takes you 30 seconds to put in, it's worth it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to our channel. And like always, have safe travels. Thank you. Oh, and I'll leave you with this beautiful scene of SKYE, which an island we really enjoyed.